Meaning of interpretation.
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 Interpretation. Interpretation generally refers to the process of explaining or understanding the meaning of something. It involves analyzing, translating, and making sense of information or data in order to provide a clearer understanding of it. Interpretation can be applied to many different fields, including language, art, music, and literature, as well as to scientific data and legal documents. In essence, interpretation is the act of bringing coherence and meaning to complex or ambiguous information.